Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you know, is your boy EFX-SNIPER. I did record a video. The previous video was it was about the QML manipulation, but today I want to show you guys something at the same place where I took the entry of QML manipulation, but I want to show you another thing that we call a swipe zone. And sometimes a swipe zone can play, but you need to understand the logic. Any swipe zone that can play, it need to have a level, like where there is a point of interest. Sometimes you can have a line of your, what do you call, your swipe level. Then market just end up passing your level while you're expecting for you to buy or sell at the place. Then you just see market just keep on playing at your zone. The only thing that you need to know is how much you need to risk and how do you get your entry. That is the most important things, because the more you try to impress and try to look for the stuff that are not there, believe me, you're gonna have a big problem. So today I'm gonna show you guys something that is gonna be amazing, and I hope someone is gonna see. So because I'm going to combine all the stuff that we need to look and that we have to check like every time before we take the trade. Even if market is coming to our level, are we sure we have to take the entry straight, or do you wait for confirmation? I'm going to show you guys even why you need to wait for confirmation, and this is how I do apply range stuff, and I do check for liquidity. Where is the level for liquidity? Then at the end of the day, that was I'm going to use and for me to be able to take the entry. So the first things that you need to understand is that, let's say you have a line that is something like this. This is your line, and this line is the one that we call in supplier and demand SSR. So I'm going to call it SSR. Then I'll show you guys why it is SSR. So the SSR line is something like, let's say market is going to the upside, market get here, then market hold. At the end of the day, market get again at the same area, then market get here. Sometimes it's going to hold or break, market break. Then markets come again, play at this zone, market goes to the upside, then market drop. So when market is dropping, the only thing that you need to put in your mind is going to be what is happening around this line, because it's going they need to have multiple touch on this line, but it need to have a strong point on the start. I hope I'm making sense. It need to have a strong point. A strong point is a place where we got a reversal point. Let's say if you get a level example here. Can you see example here? If we check, this is a strong low. This is a strong low. Then what we need to look is what was happening around this strong low. Market come, touch for the first time. It went up, break, return, test, drop again. This time it come almost near, but it never touch. It went again all the way to the downside, but here it come again. Can you see what happened? Then we have a break. So market goes to the upside, it comes to the downside, and market touch. So this is the first point where we have a swipe zone. A swipe zone, it's all about this. Because when we have this area, at the end of the day, what you're going to see, market is just going to start doing something like this. Market come, let's say play, touch the zone, drop, touch the zone. Then before market, maybe let's say it break the area, then markets, sometimes it leave a point of interest somewhere here. Then it goes to the upside. When it goes up, after we have a major break, then market is going to make sure to come back to this line or to seek for this level. This is why you don't have to rush by taking the entry from here and go to the upside, because there is another logic where you can see market maybe is just going to do something like this. It's going to break again. Break, maybe seek for this entry, then go to the upside, come again back to this line, then fly. This also can happen. This is also, oh, sorry. This also is another logic that you have to look at. So this one also can happen. First time, maybe it's going to play like this. Then go to the upside. When it goes to the upside, touch the zone, buy, and goes like fly forever. Or what market is going to do, because they have this zone here, they have this area where is a nice demand area. Then you're gonna see market just get here, fly to the upside, maybe mitigate something here. That is the best logic. Then when the market get here, at the end of the day is gonna drop and start flying again. So this one also can happen, and the only thing that we just have to do is to put more logic. So these things play a lot in gold. That is something play a lot in gold. I'm not here, I'm not just gonna come here and tell you bullshit or whatever, but I'm telling you something that is working. But before we do that, please guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I do share this stuff for free. I don't make anyone to pay. I don't want anything from you guys. But the most important things that I believe is going to be, the more we have people that they support us, the more we're going to do better, because so many people, they're going to access this. So if you're going to check, we have a strong eye here, then market break. We touch for the first time, second time. Can you see what was happening? Then here we come again, we break, we pay around the line. Now check this week, it return back and start flying again. So there is a lot of levels that I'm gonna show you guys. Let's say example, even here, you know, we have this one. Can you see this one? Or if you want, we can use this one. That's also another swipe zone, because market touch, you see, touch here, touch there, break, come back, test the zone, goes to the upside, drop again, come here and touch again at the same line, then we drop. So this is what we call most of, like, the more important, it's about the SSR. So I just want to show you guys, remember I told you I'm going to show you about this buy. What happened here, then how market was flying. Let me just do something like this for me to delete all this stuff. Okay, so the most important things that you need to understand is about this area. What was happening here? If you check here, we have a strong low. How do you know this is a strong low? I'm going to show you guys on the line chart so that you understand what when I say about the strong low. Do you see this low? You see? This is a strong low. So when I talk about the strong low, I mean that. So when we have this strong low, let me just make it big. When we have this strong low, then the only thing that you can see this one as a strong low was how market was reacting to this area. Remember, guys, I told you sometimes you're gonna have this area. Let me just draw it on what do you call, on a bearish side. Then we have this low. Then before market break this low, market has to create something here. Then market drop. It is not like because you have this strong low, like what most of the people they do teach. But I know it do play, but it needs more logic before it play. So, because one thing that I understand is when it has a liquidity, then this area is going to hold. So when it doesn't have, sorry guys. So when it has what do you call? When it has a liquidity, then market is gonna do it. Market is gonna get here, then drop, then this one is going to hold. That is what I look. Or sometimes just gonna hold like this, then it goes up to this area, then drop. Then ask yourself, why did it do something like this? It's because this area was what we call a king zone, like a point of interest. We call it from supply and demand of Masori, king zone. So this is a king zone where market has to seek. So here market respect this level because there was a liquidity somewhere here. Then that liquidity, you know, it's even trap more people just for them to get here. And people, they believe they're going to drop more. They're still holding. Maybe some of them, they say, no, it's coming. It's going to get here. Then it went up. So people already, they are more desperate of saying, no, you know what? Market is already going to the upside. It's not going to come back. So because it's going to come here, then we're going to do what? We're going to start buying. Do you see? So at the end of the day, you just see market just drop. So this is the same logic like what happened here. If you pay more attention, you're going to see here. I'm sorry, guys. I believe this video is going to be for so long because it has more information that you guys do need. So you're going to see when I record those advanced video, I'm going to tell you guys why market come back to this area, why it didn't hold here, why it went here. So I'm going to tell you. Then we're going to see so many people that will tell you, no, because there is what do you call it? Ident base, whatever it is. This is why market went there. Then at the end of the day, market drop. But the most important things that I'm trying to show you guys is we need to check around this line of that strong low. What was happening? Can you see how this line was very strong? Yeah, so many people will say, no, what about all this week? Are we going to hold about all this week? No, this is what I told you guys. You are not going to trade because you see this area and you think like market is just going to keep on holding that area. No. Then when market get here, we know how many times market was just coming and playing on this level. Then at the end of the day, we need to find a point where market give us a confirmation inside this week. Then we can take our entry. How this zone now become a swap zone is when we have a break. So when we have a break, can you see this candlestick? This candlestick already show us a signal. Let me just throw it something like this. This candlestick alone, the way it break this area, it gives us already the signal that, okay, market, it's about to do what? To do some kind of buy and other stuff. So this is the week, guys. So if for a week market break, then you trade, you come and catch your entry somewhere. Let me just show you guys. Because I remember one of my bro took the entry here, and I believe me also I took the entry, Moses. So he took the entry, but there is a logic why he took the entry there. And I believe I'm going to make sure, and why I took the entry there. So I'm going to make sure I record the video about this entry, but I don't know when. So then if you could catch the entry, you know already your target, you're going to target the previous week high. This is the one. Because this is what people, they call OHLC, something like open, high and low, whatever, close, or whatever they call it. So then, what do you wait for? When we have a break, so many people, they'll say, okay, since we have a break, we're going to come and buy from this line. I did explain to you guys why market sometimes doesn't buy from this line, but it just to seek for a level. But this line, since it's the most important line for us, we can just leave it. This was sometimes you see in my chart. There is a lot of lines like this. There is a lot of lines like this. Then market get here and market start buying. You see, after we had this break, market get to the downside and seek whatever they wanted to seek, then they start buying. The most important things, what I'm going to explain is going to be about this area. Because why I'm explaining this area? Because this area come back again to the same line after this manipulation again. So what we have to do, we just have to go either to low time frame and try to understand like, okay, what was happening there. Remember this line, guys, this is a weekly swipe zone. Then let's say if you go to H4, because if you watch my video, most of the time I show you guys that this is how I trade. So I do look from weekly is to H4, daily is to H1 for me to be able to catch the entry. But what do you see here now? What do you see here now? That is more important. What do you see now? So what I saw was, okay, market break. This one. This is a strong high. Market come and break it. But how do you see the level? How do you take the entry? Remember, we're talking about this week. But which level confirm something that is here? I don't know if I have to say it or what. Okay, which... Guys, you know me, I don't hide anything. Do you see this area here? Can you see this area, what is happening here? Because if I do it, I want to explain here on this video. You guys will just get lost. That is one thing that is more important. Let me just tell you guys. Do you see this area? Do you see this area here? The most important things that you need to do is going to be markets come to the downside. Market break a level, because I know so many people will say, why market supposed to come and start selling from here? Because this is what they told them about the order block, whatever it is. No, this is why market supposed, I believe you guys can see what I wanted to show. Market come and break. So they were even saying, you know, because market is already break this low. So let me draw out people they will think market. And I'm going to show you, you could even take another entry. Market is already break this low. We go to the upside. If we go to the downside, we mitigate something, then we need to look for a level of liquidity. This area is going to be a strong zone. Market is going to come and drop. So when market was dropping, can you see? Market already finished the issue of what was happening. If you guys remember the video about the base ignore, so you need to make sure you go watch that video again. You know why market come and start buying from here, because I did make that video. Then there was another thing that was here. I'm just going to explain it to my one of my best advanced video. Why did market come in? But the most important things what we need to understand is going to be, okay, is going to be about this area. Can you see this zone? I know, but you guys, I'm just leaving something for you guys to come and ask, what happened here? Why did the market get here? If you remember on the previous video, I explained on M15 there was a QML manipulation, but if you wanted the precision entry, yes, this could be your perfect zone. I know so many people with Michael, the one they trade ICT style, they'll tell you this is inefficiency, market come and fill the price, and they don't even understand why there is this inefficiency. But check where market went. Can you see where market went? Then from H4, you need to go to M15. When you go to M15, this is when you're going to see what was happening there on the M15. If you guys remember, let me just delete this one. So if you guys remember on the previous video, I did explain that I took an entry here because I saw where there was a QML manipulation. Can you see? This is why I took an entry here. Can you see? So there was another level that I saw again this side. I did explain already on that video. If you guys watch that video, you know why there was this area here. If someone wanted more precision, I believe you guys, you see what I'm doing. You see what is happening. You see what is going on. And I believe you guys can see. So some of the people will take the entry here because it's also another swipe zone, or people will take an entry here. But the logic to everything that was happening here, let me show you guys. And this is one of the best things about my brother, because Moses, what he normally do when he has a level like this, then he's gonna check which level of liquidity did the market was was like trying to go, and how we could be able to catch the entry. Because when you have so many places where you don't know if you want to take the entry here, or if you take the entry here, or if you go to H1, you're going to see another thing from the same area. Can you see on H1? H1 again, we have this zone. So this is the zone here. That is more precision, multiple time frame analysis. But then let us go back to my M15, because that is why I took the entry. So I believe I'm going to show you guys how you could be able to, to catch the best entry again, for you to be able to understand how it was happening. Why I'm saying you need sometimes a confirmation, because you don't know which of the level that is going to play. This is why you see so many people, they have line like everywhere because they are not sure if market is going to buy from here. But normally what I do these days, I just take my entry, then I put my stop loss, then I wait to see what is going to happen next. That is very important that I'm doing. So then when market get here, you're gonna see like you need to have a proper confirmation for you to take an entry. But the most important things, what is happening, you're gonna see is that, okay, can you see this low here? This is the low. Market break. And which level did it break this low? Is this candlestick that took the last push to the downside. It started from here, then we break. But what about this area? This area also will become more important. What about this area? It will become important. And if you wanted confirmation, what are you going to do? So right now I'm explaining to you guys how you could be able to catch the entry. Because after the manipulation of this low, normally market's supposed to do something like this, because this area was very strong. When market was coming to the upside, market's supposed to hold from here and drop, but they did manipulate, and this area also it become strong, you see. So you could just catch entries, but according to the video of today, we're supposed to look for a strong low. What is a strong low? Around like a strong low, a strong high for us to create our line. You could even use this one. You say, okay, this is my strong level. This is the level where I have my swipe area. Do you see what is happening here? This is the level I have my swipe area. But you can see again, okay, we have this swipe zone, but what about this area? Do you see? If you want to confirm that this area it's really a swipe zone, you can go to the what do you call a line chart. You're gonna see the multiple touch. The first one is here, the third one is here. Market break, then this candlestick come again down. We expected again to go to the upside. We react again from the same area. Then we have a break. You see, so market goes to the upside. It come back to come and mitigate this area. Then it start flying. So I'm holding my entry from here. I did not close it. What I did, I just closed something when we took out this eye. Then I'm holding the other part. And this is today. The simple stuff. You see. So this is 1. We have a 2. Then check after the break. So if you don't pay attention, you never know what was happening. 1, we have 2. Market touch, we break. And check how we trade it. A slide trade, huh? You see. We come back, we touch the level, then we go to the upside. Next minute, market return again back. But if you check on, let me check if I can get Telegram somewhere here. So if I can get a Telegram here, then you're gonna see my. Let me check. What is my Telegram? Okay, guys, my Telegram is going to open right now. So I wanna show you guys the entry, and you're gonna see what is happening here. Where is this entry? What is this entry? It's gonna be somewhere. Okay, let me check. Okay, it's here. So you're gonna see what was happening here. Then you see, I track this entry from here, and I'm still holding it until it fly. I had this area mark. Let me show you. When I send this picture here, I had this area. Can you see? I had this area mark that market is gonna come and buy from here, and this is what happened. So if you check, chose in H4. Oh, sorry guys, chosen H4. So if you check, I had the zone mark from there as the zone that is gonna make the market fly. Yeah, I think it was somewhere there. Let me check properly. Yes, this is why it chose. Then check what happened. Oh, it was somewhere here. Yeah, because I was just looking at this area. What was happening around this point of interest? Touch, break, and market supposed to come and start buying. Can you see? But if you check, no, it was only H1. Huh? Yeah, H4. So I don't understand why this broker doesn't have this area. You see, doesn't have this point. Because if you check here, you're gonna see it has this point, but on this one there was no that point. Market touch here and start flying. So I hope you guys understand what I was trying to make and what I was trying to say. So yeah, so that is it. And I believe you guys are gonna enjoy again this video, because I'm making sure, since I'm in South Africa, I'm just gonna record a few videos for you guys. Like yeah, I will start posting them. Or sharp guys, enjoy the video.